You flap at me?
Yeah.
Hit me with his wing.
He's gonna eat you. Hi everyone.
Hello.
Hello. In this video we're basically going to talk about what it's like being on lockdown in Morocco and why we're on lockdown in Morocco and going through our daily routine basically. You know, doing little bits to keep us from going stir crazy.
Yep.
We're doing workouts every day. We can go shopping once a week. We've got to wear our face masks, you know, be super safe. We've got to have our special paperwork as well to say we're allowed out. But yeah, we just kind of wanted to show everyone and reassure everyone that we're super safe, still having a lovely time, minus, you know, the whole stuck thing, but it's still nice. So yeah.
Yeah. We're on. We was in Fez at the time, just before the lockdown happened on the 20th of March here. So yeah, we pretty much headed straight down to Marrakesh because it was a really nice campsite here.
Just to hunker down.
To hunker down, yeah. And what they've done on the campsite, everyone's got their own pitch. You've got to stay in your pitch, so you can sit outside, you can go indoors, and everyone else is at a distance from you, which is how it is everywhere else.
Yeah.
So in Morocco, it's not actually that bad at the minute. Not many people are infected, so hopefully it gets better and stays that way.
So yeah, so we were basically on our way to the port to get the ferry back to Spain at the time that everything was shut down. So I think it was about a day or two away. We were in Rabat, close to going to the port, and we got an alert message basically saying that no one can leave. No, there's no ferries.
Impossible.
Yeah, impossible.
Yeah.
So then we decided to come back to Marrakesh to a super safe campsite and hunker down. Yeah, and just wait out the worst of the storm really. So yeah, so here's the ways that we're keeping ourselves entertained and keeping our routine going while all this is happening, keeping sane. So yeah, enjoy.
Our morning visitor, Gary.
Hello, mate.
How are you doing? On his travels, eh? Just about to go and do our weekly shop. We'll show you what it's like in Morocco.
Paperwork in the front here. Paperwork to say we're allowed out to go do our shopping. Here we are at the Carrefour.
Here we are.
Ready to do our shop.
Yeah.
We're going down the toy aisle. Whoa!
Who still sells PlayStation 1s in the box?
They've got some of the best games though.
They have.
Oh, if only we had a TV in the van. Gutted. We're back from our successful Carrefour shop. Lots of goodies.
It's a kind of coriander.
Coriander, yeah.
But different kinds, a different So this is the normal.
What did you get?
That's not strong.
Some
Oranges.
oranges for a
Some
smoothie
mint.
and yeah, for the risotto.
Hooray!
Now that we've done our food shop today, we're gonna take you for our workout. It's about 30 to 32 degrees today, so bear with us. Bigly? So doing 10 press ups, 10 squats, 10 sit ups, doing 3 rounds. Lovely chore a day. Every other day. Toilet time. This is the fun part of the day. Whoa. This is Ashley's favourite part.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
If you turn it to a dance, it's not too bad. That's the worst chore of the day. Emptying this stinky tool. Mainly Ashley anyway.
It's not me. You got a stinky ass.
Ooh, what are you cooking there, Ashley?
Oh, we're gonna have some wrappy wraps. We got some chicken, got some onion, peppers, got some tomatoes, got some cabbage.
Mama's cooking. Dinner and a movie. Couldn't get much better than this. Dinosaur movie.
Wow. This part is actually deceiving.